The importance and benefits of vitamin D exerts on bone and calcium metabolism are widely accepted, as it was primarily investigated in relation to musculoskeletal health, starting with the prevention of rickets in children and the prevention of osteoporosis in elderly. However, its role in sleep regulation is less commonly discussed and explored. Apart from its importance in sleep, the evidence over the last few decades has also indicated that vitamin D is responsible for many biological functions and has much broader implications to our health. Let's have a quick look at how vitamin D is synthesized in the body. It first occurs in the epidermis from the precursor 7-dehydrocholesterol to cholecalciferol, also known as vitamin D3. This occurs through ultraviolet B radiation from the sun. Ergosterol, which is vitamin D2, and vitamin D3 can also be obtained from vegetable and animal sources, such as mushrooms and fatty fish. Now, when the ergosterol and cholecalciferol reach the liver and kidney, hydroxylation occurs. And in the kidney, 25-ton hydroxyvitamin D is converted to its metabolically active form, known as the 1,25-dihydroxyvitamin D. This active molecule then binds to vitamin D receptors throughout the body to carry our specific cellular signaling and actions. Before we talk about how vitamin D plays a role in sleep, perhaps it is worth to take a moment to appreciate the importance of sleep for our general health. Sleep is a complex physiological state and is essential for optimal health. While sleep is a period of physical inactivity, it comprises intense metabolic activities and are all necessary for good mental and physical health. With sleeping disturbances and sleep disorders becoming a prominent and pervasive problem all over the world, it is critical to look at what can be done to address it. With this, let's talk about how vitamin D influences our sleep. In terms of sleep regulation, vitamin D is thought to help regulate the sleep-wake cycle. This is evident through its role as a sleep modulator that impacts several brain areas, such as the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus is a peanut-sized structure, lies deep inside the brain, and contains groups of nerve cells that affect sleep and arousal. Vitamin D receptors are also found in areas of the brainstem. The brainstem is particularly important in REM sleep, as it causes muscle paralysis during sleep. By this, it means that the brainstem sends signals to relax muscles that control body and limb movements, so that we don't act out our dreams. So, vitamin D impact how well and deep a person sleeps throughout the night. If you are liking the content so far, please consider subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to hit the like and share button. By doing so, you can help spread this important message across to more people around the world. So, what else can vitamin D do to impact our sleep? Interestingly, vitamin D also involved in the production of melatonin via the serotonergic pathway. Findings from cross-sectional study has shown that participants with vitamin D deficiency was lower than those with insufficient and sufficient vitamin D levels. More importantly, the correction of vitamin D insufficiency positively affects the melatonin levels, influencing the quality of sleep. As with sleep quality, sleep quantity is also an important part of good sleep. Getting adequate sleep is critical for the body to carry out necessary biological functions. Also, low level of serum vitamin D concentration may serve as a predictor of short sleep duration. Moreover, a reduced sleep latency also seems to be correlated with higher level of vitamin D, increasing a person's sleep duration. So, these are how vitamin D can help with our sleep. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this out to someone you know. Don't forget to let us know in the comment if you have had any experience with vitamin D impacting your sleep and overall well-being.